Welcome to our deep dive into the world of lice. These tiny creatures, often unseen by the naked eye, are masters of survival, having inhabited this planet alongside their animal hosts for millions of years. Today we're uncovering the fascinating differences between human lice and animal lice. From the species that specialize in particular hosts to the unique ways they cling to hair and feathers, we'll uncover the secrets of these remarkably adapted creatures. The world of lice is far more diverse than one might imagine, encompassing a vast array of species, each with unique adaptations. While we humans might be familiar with the head louse clinging tenaciously to our scalps, there is so much more to discover. The animal kingdom plays host to a dazzling array of specialized lice species, each perfectly adapted to their specific hosts. Take for instance the body louse, a close relative of the head louse, but uniquely adapted to living in clothing, only venturing onto the skin for a blood meal. This adaptation allows them to thrive in environments where other lice might not survive. And then there are the pubic lice, clinging to coarser hair, a testament to their remarkable gripping abilities and specialized claws. Beyond the human realm, the diversity of lice explodes into a myriad of forms and functions. Bird lice, with their flattened bodies and specialized claws, are exquisitely designed to navigate the intricate world of feathers, ensuring they remain securely attached. Each species of bird often hosts its own unique species of louse, a testament to millions of years of co-evolution and adaptation. Mammals, too, play host to a variety of lice, each with their own unique adaptations. From the short-nosed sucking lice found on primates to the blood-feeding lice of ungulates, each species has evolved in concert with its host, a delicate dance between parasite and host that has been perfected over millennia. Some lice, like those found on elephants, have developed elongated mouth parts, perfectly adapted for piercing thick hides to access the nourishing blood beneath, showcasing their incredible specialization. This specialization highlights the incredible adaptability of lice, showcasing their ability to thrive in even the most challenging environments, from the dense fur of mammals to the feathers of birds. Join me as we continue our exploration, unraveling the mysteries of the louse life cycle, comparing the strategies employed by human and animal lice to survive and reproduce in their unique niches. The life cycle of a louse, though seemingly simple, is a marvel of efficiency and adaptation. Both human and animal lice share a similar life cycle, with subtle variations that reflect their unique lifestyles. The journey begins with the nits, tiny eggs meticulously attached to hair shafts or feathers. These nits, resembling miniature pearls, are remarkably resistant to removal, a testament to the louse's commitment to ensuring the survival of its offspring. Within these protective casings, the louse embryos develop, fueled by the yolk within. The time it takes for a nit to hatch varies depending on the species and environmental conditions, but it generally takes around a week for the nymph to emerge. These nymphs, miniature versions of the adults, are already equipped with the instincts and tools necessary for survival. Their primary focus is feeding, taking frequent blood meals from their host to fuel their growth and development. As the nymphs mature, they shed their exoskeletons multiple times, a process known as molting. Each molt brings the nymph closer to adulthood, its body size increasing with each successive stage. Finally, after several molts, the nymph reaches adulthood, ready to mate and continue the cycle. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of lice, exploring the diverse habitats and environments where these remarkable creatures thrive. We often think of habitats as vast landscapes, but for the louse, home is a much more intimate affair. These tiny creatures have evolved to thrive in very specific environments, each uniquely suited to their needs. The warm, humid environment close to the host's skin provides the ideal conditions for these creatures to thrive. This microhabitat offers not just warmth, but also a steady supply of food. Human lice, for instance, are perfectly adapted to life on the scalp, clinging to hair shafts with remarkable tenacity. Their entire life cycle revolves around the human head. Their 6 legs, each tipped with a specialized claw, act like miniature grappling hooks, allowing them to navigate the hair forest with ease. This adaptation is crucial for their survival. Body lice, on the other hand, have adapted to a slightly different environment. They live in the folds and seams of clothing, which provides them with a safe haven. They prefer the relative shelter of clothing, only venturing onto the skin for a blood meal. This behavior minimizes their exposure to the host's grooming activities. Their flattened bodies and strong legs allow them to move easily through the fabric, making them masters of their textile domain. This unique adaptation helps them evade detection. Animal lice display an equally impressive range of habitat adaptations. Each species has evolved to fit perfectly into its specific niche. Bird lice, for instance, have evolved flattened bodies and specialized claws perfectly suited for navigating the intricate world of feathers. They are experts at clinging to their avian hosts. They can be found clinging to feathers of all types, from the downy undercoat to the sturdy flight feathers. This versatility allows them to exploit various parts of their host's body. Mammalian lice, too, have adapted to their specific hosts. Their survival depends on their ability to remain undetected while feeding. Some species prefer the dense fur of primates, while others thrive in the coarser hair of ungulates. Each type of fur offers different challenges and opportunities. The warmth of the host's body and the close proximity to a blood meal make these microenvironments ideal for louse survival. These conditions are crucial for their reproductive success. However, this intimate relationship comes at a cost. The host's grooming behaviors and immune responses are constant threats to the louse's survival. Join us as we explore the fascinating ways in which human and animal lice spread, uncovering the transmission methods that have allowed these creatures to colonize hosts worldwide. Their story is one of remarkable adaptation and survival. The world of lice might seem small, but these creatures have evolved surprisingly effective ways to spread, ensuring the continuation of their species. While human and animal lice employ different tactics, their ultimate goal is the same: to reach a new host and establish a thriving colony. Human lice, for instance, are primarily spread through direct head-to-head contact. A simple hug, a shared hat, or a playful tussle among children can provide the perfect opportunity for these tenacious hitchhikers to embark on a new adventure. Body lice, with their preference for clothing, spread through shared garments or bedding. This mode of transmission is particularly common in crowded living conditions, where opportunities for lice to jump ship are abundant. Animal lice, on the other hand, rely on a different set of strategies. Bird lice, for instance, often spread through direct contact between birds, particularly during nesting season when birds are in close proximity. Some bird lice have even evolved the ability to hitch a ride on other insects such as flies or parasitic mites, using these unwitting chauffeurs to reach new avian hosts. Mammalian lice, like their human counterparts, often spread through direct contact between hosts. Grooming behavior, while intended to remove lice, can sometimes facilitate their spread, as lice cling tightly to hairs and transfer easily during social interactions. Join us as we delve into the world of louse treatment and prevention, exploring the methods employed to manage these persistent creatures. The persistent nature of lice has led to a long history of human ingenuity in developing treatments and preventative measures. These tiny parasites have been a nuisance for centuries, prompting various innovative solutions. While the methods employed may vary depending on the type of louse and the host, the underlying goal remains the same: to break the louse life cycle and prevent reinfestation. Understanding the life cycle of lice is crucial in effectively combating them. For human head lice, treatment often involves the use of over-the-counter or prescription medications. These treatments are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to the general public. These pediculicides, as they're known, work by either killing the lice directly or disrupting their nervous systems, leading to their demise. The effectiveness of these treatments can vary, so it's important to follow instructions carefully. However, the battle against lice is not always straightforward. These tiny pests can be incredibly stubborn and difficult to eradicate completely. These resilient creatures have shown a remarkable ability to develop resistance to commonly used treatments, making it essential to follow treatment guidelines carefully and consult with healthcare professionals when necessary. This ensures that the most effective and up-to-date methods are being used. In addition to medication, meticulous combing with a fine-toothed comb is crucial for removing nits, those tenacious eggs that cling stubbornly to hair shafts. This process can be tedious but is necessary for thorough treatment. This mechanical removal method, though time-consuming, is essential for breaking the louse. life cycle and preventing reinfestation. Consistency and patience are key in this process. Preventing the spread of head lice often involves educating children about avoiding head-to-head contact, discouraging the sharing of personal items like hats and combs, and regularly checking for lice, especially during outbreaks in schools or childcare settings. Awareness and proactive measures can significantly reduce the risk of infestation. For body lice, treatment and prevention focus on hygiene and sanitation. Maintaining cleanliness is a fundamental step in controlling these pests. Regular washing of clothing and bedding in hot water and drying on high heat are crucial for killing lice and their eggs. This method ensures that any lingering lice are effectively eliminated. Managing animal lice often involves different strategies. These can include specialized treatments and regular veterinary checkups to ensure the health of pets and livestock. By employing a multifaceted approach that combines treatment, prevention, and education, we can minimize the impact of these persistent parasites and maintain a harmonious balance with the natural world. Through collective effort and awareness, we can effectively manage and prevent lice infestations. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of lice. From the incredible diversity of species to their remarkable adaptations for survival, lice offer a fascinating glimpse into the intricate relationships between parasites and their hosts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the natural world and its many wonders. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep marveling at the wonders of the natural world, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant.